The Aerostar? The Filterbuy or Honeywell? Perhaps the Nordic or the Filtrete? Which one should you buy? In this video, we are going to look at the top 5 furnace filters available on the market today and tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best furnace filters. The 5th product on this list is the Honeywell Elite. Furnace filters keep the blower fan of your heating and cooling systems free from dirt and debris and trap pollutants found in your indoor air, thereby improving the air quality. The Honeywell Elite furnace filter doesn't fall short of this function and is a direct replacement for Honeywell's previous whole house media air cleaners. This Elite furnace filter is made from polypropylene and has a minimum efficiency reporting value, or MERV, of 12, which means it is 60 times more efficient than a 1-inch fiberglass furnace filter. The importance of fresh and clean air in our homes and enclosed spaces cannot be overemphasized, and the MERV 12 efficiency rating of this unit means that the filter can trap airborne particles as small as 0.3 microns. Apart from being efficient, it stays effective for as long as 12 months before the need for a replacement. However, if you are looking to save more from the deal, you can buy a 2-pack or a 5-pack unit of this product. We particularly liked that it fits a wide range of heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems, which means that you can easily replace your old filters without worrying about the size. Its pros are: it has a heavy-duty moisture-resistant frame that can last up to 90 days. It can trap microparticles as small as 0.3 micrometers, keeping your air healthy, and it is easy to install, so you don't need to hire a professional. However, there is no place for a fitting on the filter, so you must remove the screw and fitting from your furnace before you use it. The Honeywell Elite furnace filter is an ideal choice for anyone looking to efficiently improve indoor air quality and keep airborne particles out of their heating systems. Up next in 4th place is the Filtrete Clean Living. Much like the previous furnace filter, the Filtrete Clean Living filter is compatible with most heating, ventilation, and air cooling systems, preventing pollutants from infiltrating your indoor space. And even if your room is already polluted with allergens, dirt, or debris, this unit traps and extracts the pollutants. Most times, air carries particles, which, if allowed to go into your heating and cooling systems, may cause problems after a while. So, a furnace filter like the Filtrete Clean Living filter acts like a blockade that prevents these particles from getting into your system or back into your rooms. This filter draws in air through the return ducts of your cooling or heating ventilation system, cools or heats the air, and passes the air back into your rooms through the ducts with the help of a blower fan. Moreover, this unit has a MERV rating of 5 and a microparticle performance rating of 300. This isn't as good as others on our list, but it means airflow is improved, and it can still trap particles as large as cigarette smoke, pollen, dust mites, and more. Additionally, because it is a 1-inch pleated filter, you will only have to change it every 3 months. Plus, a single pack of this unit contains 6 filters. Lastly, as it is an electrostatically charged filter media, it is fully recyclable. Its pros are: it allows you to easily flow through it while trapping airborne particles. The electrostatically charged material makes it recyclable, and subscribing to Filtrete will save you some money and remind you when your filter is due for a change. However, its cons are: the fairly low minimum efficiency reporting value rating of 5 means it cannot trap all microparticles. The Filtrete Clean Living filter is perfect for those in need of a furnace filter that can trap large air particles in their residential homes. Still haven't found a furnace filter that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the Aerostar. Irrespective of where you live, a furnace filter is not optional as long as you own a heating or cooling system. The Aerostar pleated furnace filter does an impressive job of filtering dust mites, fine dust, lint, spores, pollen, pet dander, smoke, viruses, and bacteria to prevent them from entering your cooling and heating systems while keeping your indoor space healthy. With a MERV rating of 13 and a microparticle performance rating of 1500 to 1900, you can rest assured that no pathogen or allergen of 0.3 to 1.0 millimeters can sneak through it. However, furnace filters with high ratings like this do not have the best airflow because the filters are extremely tight and can easily become clogged with the pollutants they trap. Furthermore, you have to change the filters every 60 to 90 days and increase the frequency to 30 days during peak summer and winter months when it's working at an optimum level for high efficiency and adequate airflow. Even so, the Aerostar furnace filter does not require any special assembly, making it easy to install without the help of a professional. And since a single pack comes with 6 units of this filter, you have enough to last for some time. So if you need the utmost in air filtration, this is an excellent choice. Its pros are, its large surface area can trap more pollutants and allergens, it has an electrostatic charge that enables it to trap bacteria as small as 0.3 millimeters, and its single pack contains 6 filters. However, its density increases resistance and lowers airflow. The Aerostar furnace filter is recommended for those who suffer badly from allergies or are simply worried about the air quality inside their home. The second product on this list is the Filterbuy. Are you looking to get a filter that promotes a sanitary lifestyle? Look no further than the Filterbuy furnace air filter. This unit is a replacement filter for your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems that features an electrostatically charged 12-pleat design that traps about 90% of all harmful airborne bacteria and viruses. Filterbuy's high-quality construction and industrial-grade beverage board frames make it more durable than its counterparts with carbon frame boards and other fiberglass models because it can withstand extreme temperatures up to 200 degrees Fahrenheit and high humidity levels. Even its filtration ratings are proficient because the filter itself ensures that the air circulating through your heating and cooling systems is clean enough to create a sanitary environment and not cause any damage to your heating and cooling systems because of clogged blower fans or ducts. We particularly like that even pet dander is not left out of the dirt, lint, pollen, and debris that this furnace filter can capture. What's more, because of its MERV rating of 8, airflow isn't reduced despite its effectiveness. And the best part is that it comes in different sizes so that you can choose the exact fit for your heating and cooling systems. Furthermore, when it comes to installation, there are arrows on the frames that show the direction of airflow, signifying how to correctly place the filter. For efficient airflow, simply replace this filter every 90 days and enjoy clean air at all times. Its pros are, the filter and its components are recyclable, the arrows on filter frames make installation effortless, and it strikes a good balance between keeping air moving and trapping microparticles. However, they tend to bend quite easily when fitting them, and can actually crack down the middle if you're too forceful. The Filterbuy is recommended for homeowners who want high-quality filters to diligently maintain their home systems and keep their indoor space free from allergens. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top furnace filter is the Nordic Pure. Finding the ideal furnace filter that can eliminate odor from your room can be quite a hassle because most products barely live up to the hype. But this is not so with the Nordic Pure furnace filter. For one, its filtration technique is highly efficient, with a microparticle performance rating of 2200 to 2400 and a MERV rating of 13. It beats all the rest. So if you find it difficult to get rid of tobacco smoke or lingering odor from cooking, laundry, heat, pets, etc. from your room, the carbon-layered filters in Nordic Pure can handle the job in no time. This furnace air filter is manufactured in the US and constructed with moisture-resistant heavy-duty beverage board paper frames. These frames are electrostatically charged to capture airborne particles that include pollen, dust mites, dirt, debris, viruses, pet dander, coughs and sneezes, mold spores, smoke particles, and more, and prevent anything from growing on the filter. You'll be pleased to know that the Nordic Pure traps more particles than fiberglass filters, providing heavy-duty air odor-fighting power. Overall, this product provides the best protection against harmful microparticles and is ideal for any home furnace heating system. Its pros are, this unit has a MERV 13 rating, meaning it can be used in both residential and commercial environments. It can remove lingering odors from your indoor space. The moisture-resistant frame can withstand high humidity levels, and it is made from fully recyclable synthetic materials. However, due to their effectiveness at trapping particles, they need to be changed every 30 to 90 days. The Nordic Pure filters are recommended for those living with allergies and asthma who want to minimize the allergens in their rooms and allow clean and fresh air to circulate. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.